Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be unboxing my Galaxy Watch. I got this from UAE, so it's a Gulf version, and I have got it for a very amazing price. I just got it for around 18,000 from UAE, Dubai. And let me know if you want to buy. I can tell you in the comment section that from where you can buy this watch. And one thing you have to take care that you will not get any international warranty. So since you're getting such a nice price, so it's worth taking a shot on warranty. So let's unbox it quickly. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand. I hurt my hand during workout. So this is the watch. Moment of truth. I wanted this watch for a long time. Okay, so let's keep it aside. Let's see what's in the box. So this side we get one additional strap. I believe this is the smaller one. So if you have a smaller wrist, then you can use this one. Since I have a big hand, so I'll be using the original one, which comes attached to the watch itself. So this is the wireless charger. I've heard the watch charging is very good. So this is all the documentation, and obviously it is in like Gulf language. And maybe this is the wiring, I believe. Oh yeah, this is the charger. Okay, so the pins are again from the Gulf region. You'll need a connector if you need to use this in India. All right, so let's get back to the watch. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is the watch itself. Let's try and boot this up. I believe this should be the power button. Okay, so watch is now booting up for the first time, and I have to say the quality of Samsung is unbeatable, and this actually feels very sturdy in hand. And this is the time for the first boot up. So guys, I'll be using this watch for some time, and will be posting another review and the walkthrough for the watch. Let me know if you want to see, and if you have any questions about this watch. I'll be definitely making video for that. Thank you for watching.